Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get UFC 6 for free. This is available on PlayStation and Xbox, and it's super easy, taking just a few minutes. This is going to get you a digital game code that you can redeem right now in whatever platform you play on, and it is going to get you EA Sports UFC 6 for completely free. Now this method literally takes just a few minutes, guys, and I spent a few hours this morning testing methods, and I finally managed to get a copy of UFC 6 for free. And this is a pretty expensive game, costing around 50 to 60 US dollars. Before I show you how to get UFC 6 for free, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for money saving methods. So basically, guys, you need to use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your digital game code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in the PlayStation or Xbox store. So go to this website, www.crashcoupons.com. so it's very important you spell it and type it correctly. You can pause the video and copy that down, but basically Crash Coupons is a game code website I discovered, and they have hundreds of game codes on here and pages for stuff. What you're going to need to do, guys, is just navigate your way to the EA Sports UFC 6 free game code page. You can scroll down and try and find it, or you can use the search bar at the top and just type in UFC 6 and it should pop up. EA Sports UFC 6 free game code, so yeah, you can scroll or find it. And this, guys, is going to get you a digital game code, and this is available on Xbox and PlayStation 5. So this entire process takes about 5 minutes, but considering the game is like 60 US dollars, I think it's worth it. So let's just go ahead and get a code. So if this is your first time on Crash Coupons, you can see your code is hidden. It sort of like prevents people taking more than one of these codes. Obviously, people create bots and stuff to steal all of the copies of these games. So you can only do this once. So to get your personal UFC 6 game code, click on this button, and you're going to see this screen here that tells you how to unlock your code. Basically, guys, long story short, you just need to complete 2 of the tasks you see on this screen. They're all completely free, and they're basically things like mobile application in stores where you just download the app and open them up, play mobile games, answer surveys, stuff like that. Just very important you do follow the instructions to complete each one. So you just complete 2 of these, and once you do those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons. I'm going to skip forward. I've already done it, and you can only do it once, but basically your code will be revealed if you do the verification step successfully and you grab your code. I redeemed it in the PlayStation 5 store, but you can redeem it in the Xbox store, and that is how to get UFC 6 for free. So you just got to go to Crash Coupons, and once you find this site, you just need to scroll down and look for the EA Sports UFC 6 free game code page. Make sure you follow the instructions to unlock your code. So that is it. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the game in the comment section below. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.